Hello again everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. Two strong cold fronts were pushing their way across South Africa on Thursday, spreading cold air in across the Cape provinces, and along with that there were showers, especially over the Western Cape, with a few light snowfalls over some of the mountain peaks. There were thunder showers that extended from the Northwest Province into the Free State and the Eastern Cape early in the day, and ahead of these cold fronts it was very hot in the Lowveld and in KwaZulu-Natal. Now on Friday there will be further showers along the south coast, especially as another cold front brushes across that area later on. It's going to be a cooler day across the Highveld, including in Gauteng, and later on moisture will be pushing in over KwaZulu-Natal and the Lowveld. It's going to become increasingly cloudy over those areas and rainfall will settle in, particularly during the course of Friday evening. Now the South African Weather Service has issued a single warning for Friday. That's for high seas, which are expected between Mossel Bay and Port St. John's, and those conditions will start moderating later on in the day from the west. KwaZulu-Natal becoming cloudy as the day progresses. There's up to a 60% chance for rainfall along the coastline and the adjacent interior, spreading even further inland later on. We could see some rain along the coastline of the Eastern Cape as well, while the rest of the province will remain dry, although it's going to be quite a cold day with many areas below 20 degrees in the afternoon. We're expecting showers as well across the Garden Route coast. Otherwise, inland for the Western Cape, things should remain cool and dry, mostly clear for Oudtshoorn. Showers are expected all the way through to the Overberg, around the Cape Peninsula, and there may even be a bit of rainfall around Langebaan later on. Along the west coast, things remain dry. It's going to become windy in Alexander Bay with a maximum of 21 degrees, and it remains quite cool across the Northern Cape interior as well, especially in the morning, where some places could be frosty at first. 16 degrees as a maximum for Colesberg. A mild day expected for the Free State, mostly clear skies in the forecast, and it's also going to be quite a bit cooler for the northwest, Vryburg and Ventersdorp, both reaching a maximum of only 22 degrees. In Limpopo, it's going to be quite hot once again. We are expecting a chance for thunder showers for Polokwane through to Tzaneen and Phalaborwa, Musina getting to a maximum of 36 degrees. And it's going to become cloudy over Eastern and Mpumalanga later on in the day, rainfall settling in across those areas, including for Mkhondo. Now in Gauteng, we're expecting a cooler day, temperatures in the mid-20s for most places, slightly warmer in Pretoria, and it's going to be a cold start for Vereeniging at 6 degrees. Windy weather expected along the Eastern Cape coastline. Southwesterlies will be fresh to strong, while lighter winds are expected for most of South Africa. On Saturday, we're expecting it to be a cool and wet day in the Lowveld. Thunder showers will be possible into Gauteng. And on Sunday, temperatures will be rising across Western South Africa with sunshine, Cape Town with a high of 26.